Hi guys, it's me, ColorMeCassie, and today I'm going to be unboxing the limited edition Mother's Day Glossybox for 2018. So guys, I just got the Mother's Day limited edition Glossybox in the mail, and it is very heavy, which makes me so excited to unbox this for you guys. They've started shipping these out on the 27th, but they are still available, so I'll have the link down below if you want to get one for Mother's Day. I'm not sure how long they take to deliver, but you may still be able to get them in time for Mother's Day, or you could give them as a late Mother's Day present, or you could just buy one for yourself if you want. So check out that link I have in the description box down below if you want this box. But I have no idea what's in it yet, so we'll just have to see. If you guys want to see more unboxing related content, beauty related content, make sure you subscribe. Without further ado, let's start unboxing this box. Okay, first of all, I just wanted to say this is a freaking cute box. It's kind of like got some Kylie Cosmetics sort of melty makeup thing going on it, and it has this rose on the top. It's all super shiny, and the rose kind of raised a little bit, which is kind of cool. So I think this is a cute box. I think Glossybox should do more boxes like this in the future, and I've heard really good things about their limited edition boxes, so I'm excited. So the little card says melting for you. We've got just some normal tissue paper in here like we do in the regular boxes. And then we got stuff in here. So let's check out what it is. So the first things I'm seeing here are the Skin Dimitri James Infusion Recover and Renew Single-Use Face Mask. And there are 4 of these. That's pretty awesome because usually when I get Glossybox and there's any sort of foily packet things, there's only one, which is so disappointing because you can only get one use out of them. But we've got 4 face masks here, and I feel like that's a really good deal. I wonder, do they have the prices in here? Let us double check. So it says the full size is $40 for 4 masks. So each of these is worth $10. So I would say that is pretty close to the actual price for something like this. I know that Skin Cosmetics tends to be a little bit pricier. I like that I got 4. And I believe this box is $40, so these pay for the entire box. That is awesome. With Glossybox, I don't normally get one thing initially that pays for the entire box. So anything else we get out of here is bonus. So far, I'm pretty impressed. Ooh! The next thing I see in here is a Lancome Renegade Multi-Glow Rosy Skin Tone Reviving Cream. So this is a Lancome moisturizer, which I think is amazing. Lancome is a very expensive brand, so to get it in a box where you're getting it at a discount, that is so great. Let's see how much this costs. The full size is $79 and it's 1.7 fluid ounces. So I believe this is the full size product. So this product alone is worth twice the cost of the box. That's awesome. So far we're 3 times the cost of the box in value with just 2 items out of the box. That is amazing. You guys, even if you're not getting this for your mom, I would get it for yourself, because we've got a Lancome skincare product, 4 very nice face masks. So far, I'm really enjoying what we're getting in this box. I'm excited to see what else there is. Okay, so the next thing I'm seeing here is a Nail Couture Lauren B Beauty Beverly Hills. It's a nail polish. And this is a really pretty color. It's just a very light bubblegum pink sort of color, and I think that's very pretty. It says the full size is $18. That seems a little bit high for a nail polish. It's not terrible. Again, another product that is close to the value of the box. We're almost 4 times the value of the box now. I'd say we're doing pretty good. I'm liking it. We're doing good. The next thing I'm seeing here is this Invisibobble, the Elegant Hair Ring. I actually have used these before, and for the most part I like them. I feel like they can get a little bit weird to use with curly hair, a little bit tangly or something like that, but I have liked them, and these are really, really pretty ones. So it's just like a little squirrely hairband, I guess, and then you can put your hair up with them, and they won't cause an indent as much in your hair. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but they just don't cause as much of a ring when you take your hairband out. But I think these are cute. I would definitely use these. I just feel like they get a little bit caught in my hair. The full size of these is 3 hair rings, which we did get all 3 hair rings, and the cost of that is $8. That is exactly right. I've gotten them before, and that's how much they cost. Add $8 to the list of value here. The next thing I'm seeing here is this High Shine Lip Cream by the Beauty Crop, and this is in the shade Red Velvet. So I'm not a huge gloss person. I tend to get glosses a lot for some reason. This looks cute though. Look at that packaging. I think that is adorable packaging and I'm excited to try this out. Let's just put it over what I'm wearing right now and see how it looks. So this is a very pigmented, very red lip cream. Lip cream, that's what it says it is. It doesn't feel super glossy, super sticky, which I like. It mostly just feels like one of those liquid lipsticks that's just kind of a liquefied lipstick. It's not a matte shade, but it just kind of feels creamy, really moisturizing, but not sticky, which I like. I think I'm going to enjoy this and wear it pretty often. I was worried it was going to be super sticky and glossy, but it's really not. It's just more of a liquefied lipstick that's not matte. It's just creamy. I'm talking nonsense, but I hope that made sense. So this Lip Brulee, the full size is $13. I'd say that's fair. I really like this formulation. I feel like it's super moisturizing and super pigmented. So I would pay $13 for this. The next thing I got in here was this Victor and Rolf Flower Bomb soap. So this is a soap theoretically with the Flower Bomb fragrance in it, and I can smell it through the packaging. I'm not going to open it all the way because I don't want the whole room to smell like this soap right now, but it smells really, really good, and I've heard good things about this fragrance, so this will be kind of cool to use in the shower or something, you know, and come out smelling awesome. I don't know. I think that's a nice idea. It says the full size is $28. Yeah, and it's just meant as a fragranced bath soap, so I'm excited about that. It smells really, really good. And something that I believe came along with that is this little fragrance sample of that fragrance, the Flower Bomb fragrance. So I will get to try it out as a fragrance as well and use the soap. So that's kind of cool. And the last thing we have in here is this Mamond Hydrating Beauty Water. I want to know how you use this though. My guess is it's a toner type product. We'll have to try that out and let you guys know what I think. It says that the full size of this is $23. So that is definitely a good thing to get in the box. So guys, that was everything in the Mother's Day limited edition box. And I'm going to go ahead and add up all the costs of these items and we'll see how much it was worth. So you guys, all in all, this box was worth over $200 with all of the products in there. I feel like that's a really good deal. You can buy this box for $40, so to get over $200 is amazing. That's just incredible. So after getting this box, I'm very excited about future limited edition glossy boxes. And I think I'm going to get them all in the future just because this was so good. So guys, let me know what you thought of the limited edition Mother's Day box from Glossybox in the comments down below. Did you like it? Did you not like it? What was your favorite product? And if you like this video, make sure you smash that like button. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do so by scrolling down and clicking that red subscribe button down below. That's pretty much it. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!